So I'm a big fan of Micarah Tewer'S. I saw her Regency dress tutorial and I wanted to use that to make something a little bit more wearable and not super costumey. I found this really cute pillowcase from Tewer'S for like $3 and I really love the fact that it has a trim already, because my motto with sewing is doing the least amount of work as humanly possible, and that goes for pretty much everything in my life, but sewing especially. Originally I wanted it for myself, but as you can see it's pretty small. But then I thought I could make something for my little cousin. I made this dress I'm wearing right now, and I pretty much do the exact same instructions except for I just added poofy sleeves and I made it a little bit more short. I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep the length as the length of the dress and use one for the body and then use the other one for sleeves. So we'll see how it goes. So my cousin, she lives in Arizona, so I had her older sister take some measurements and photos for me so I can kind of get the sizing right. But as you know, it's elastic, so it should be pretty forgiving. So the waistline of my cousin is 22 inches all around, and when I measure this, it's like 18 or 19 inches flat across, so I definitely will have enough fabric to gather, and she's really, really tiny, so she's really the perfect candidate for this pillowcase. In Micarah's tutorial, she said to leave about 11 inches for the armholes, and calculating the proportion of my arm compared to my cousin's arm, which is around 7 inches around and mine's about 10 inches around, that's roughly around 8 inches that I'm gonna have to have the armhole be. I'm just gonna flip it inside out.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 맘을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐. 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 Can't you hold my hand?
From when I was making my dress, I found that the neckline and the waist were pretty much the same measurement, so I just cut two 24 inches of 1/4 inch elastic. I just added the 2 extra inches because I'm gonna tie it in a knot, and then I'll just trim off the excess.
궁금해져 버려 애써 마음 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔 불그스름한 노을의 때깔 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이란.
Alright, so the dress is pretty much finished. I'll probably go in and hand stitch any openings that are still there. Thank you to Micarah for sharing this tutorial with the world. She did a really good job of explaining it, and I'm still a pretty beginner at sewing, so hopefully I can visit my cousin soon and have her try it on. I'll probably insert some clips of her wearing it once I finally do see her. So thanks for watching. Bye!
Gonna do another pick and choosing you with me.